Hi, everyone, and welcome to ENGL 102, writing about literature for the spring of 2021. I'm Manuel Martinez. I'm going to be your professor this semester, and this first video is just to welcome you to the class and give you a little bit of basic information. There are a series of videos here in the folder that you're going to need to watch that will, again, give you this kind of basic information that you'll need moving forward. And then in other folders, I'll have videos that will actually give you the actual material when we start actually working on some of that. But these first few videos are just to get you familiar with how the class is going to actually be operating. Um, I'm going to communicate a lot through these videos, but as I've said also in the email, let you know that this class has an optional synchronous component to it. Again, synchronous means simply that the class takes place at a specific time. So there is an optional synchronous component to this. Which is on Tuesdays from 4 to 6. So on Tuesdays from 4 to 6, I will have a Blackboard Collaborate session. You'll log on. You can log on to that. I'll talk to you about the material that you'll need to know for the week. You can ask questions. However, if you cannot make that session, then all of that information will be available in other ways through videos like this. I'll also record the Collaborate sessions. So you've got a great deal of flexibility in terms of how you're actually going to be accessing the material. When some of you signed up for the course, some of you signed up as for the course as a synchronous course, and some of you signed up as an asynchronous course. And so I'm kind of meshing the two, and so you can take whichever you want. So if you signed up for an asynchronous course with no set time, you can still come to those class meetings. That's perfectly fine. If you signed up for a synchronous course, you don't have to come to those class meetings. You can do it another way. So I'm trying to give you the greatest amount of flexibility possible. And you can change from week to week however it is that you want to deal with it. So you've got, again, a good deal of flexibility in terms of how you're going to be accessing the material for the course. When I give you these kinds of videos, these kinds of pre-recorded videos, they will have quizzes embedded in them. I've got this, Blackboard has this plugin called PlayPosit that allows me to embed quizzes to make sure that you're watching the videos, because I can tell if I don't put those in. I look in my look at YouTube and see how many times students have accessed the videos, and they don't access the videos enough, which means that later on there are things that they don't understand. So I embed these quizzes in the pre-recorded videos. Those quizzes go as part of your grade, and I'll explain how that works in one of the later videos when I actually go over the syllabus and policies. So you'll need to watch the videos in order to be able to get those points. The quizzes are easy. They're usually simply a matter of checking to make sure you did actually watch the video, did hear something that I said, right? And so there's not a lot of thought involved in that. I just want to make sure that you are watching the videos. If you attend the synchronous class sessions on Tuesday from 4 to 6, there will be quizzes embedded in Blackboard Collaborate. So no matter which way you do it, you're going to have to take a quiz showing that you were there and engaged. So just kind of keep that in mind, that either way you get the material, there will be quizzes embedded that test to make sure that you were there and listening to what I said. Again, that's just the basic information, how about things are going to operate as we go through the other videos. I've got some other information that you're going to need, more specific, detailed information. Again, there will be quizzes embedded in all of those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pause here so that you can take the short quiz that you need to take for this, and then you can move on to the next video.